Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reproduce Cotman's mauve color. So, let's try to create this beautiful color that I like to use in my floral watercolors. My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out if we can do it or not. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description. To complete this challenge, we're going to use watercolor, brush, color wheel, and a small white porcelain plate. Let's start by analyzing the color mauve. This color is a violet with a hint of pink. I'm going to mix the violet with Quinacridone rose. It's a little dark, let's add more Quinacridone. As I add the Quinacridone rose, the violet lightens until it reaches the desired color. Just a little more Quinacridone and it looks great. I usually make this card with the paint I created and write the colors I used on the back of the card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to reproduce the color mauve in watercolor. Now, it's your turn to make this color. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment too. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.